Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Chemzap Chemistry. Today we will discuss what is substance and its classification from chapter Exploring the Mixture and Their Separation, which is especially designed for class 9 chemistry new syllabus 2026. By the end of this video, not only you will understand the core theory, but we will also discuss the one-word questions and the assertions-reason questions that are frequently appears in your schools or Olympiad exams. So without wasting time, let us start. So what is substance? A substance is a matter that has fixed or definite chemical composition, possesses a unique set of physical and chemical properties, and cannot be separated into its constituent components by any physical method. So this is the definition of substance. So how we will understand the meaning of substance? So let's try to understand the meaning of the definition of the substance with the help of some examples. So let's consider the example of formation of water. So now you can check, we can get the water from different sources. The sources is from river, from glacier, from rain and from lab by the chemical reaction between the hydrogen and oxygen under the special condition of the reaction. But when you will check the water, the molecular formula of water is H2O. The composition of water will be fixed, meaning is that whatever the sources we are having, the water will be made up of hydrogen and oxygen only. Then next property of water do not change, meaning is that if you will consider the one of the property of water, that is the boiling point of water, then whatever the sources of the water we are having, the boiling point of the water will be fixed, which is what 100 degrees Celsius temperature. Next, third property is that the component of water cannot be separated into its constituent element like hydrogen or oxygen by any physical method like the decomposition, boiling or freezing. So we can say that water is nothing, it is a type of substance. Now the same thing we will try to understand with the help of formation of carbon dioxide. Now check in this activity, right, we can get the carbon dioxide from different sources by burning the carbon in presence of oxygen, by burning the wood, by burning the plastic, by burning the petrol and by burning the coal. From these 5 sources we are getting this carbon dioxide gas. But again when you will check, the carbon dioxide gas from different sources are having the what same composition, that is it is made up of carbon and oxygen, and the ratio of atom of carbon and oxygen is what 1:2. It will not change, it do not depends on the what nature of the sources from where we are getting this carbon dioxide gas. If carbon and oxygen will combine, then always carbon dioxide gas will form and the ratio of carbon and oxygen atom will be what 1:2. So composition of carbon dioxide is fixed. Now check one of the property of carbon dioxide, which is what fire extinguishing. So carbon dioxide gas will always extinguishes the fire, right? So whatever the source you are having, right, from different sources we are getting the carbon dioxide gas, all carbon dioxide gas will extinguishes the fire. Now this carbon dioxide gas is made up of carbon and oxygen, so the constituent element of the carbon dioxide, that is carbon and oxygen, cannot be separated by any physical method like the decomposition, freezing, boiling, etc. So this is the meaning of substance. A substance will have the what fixed composition, property will not change and component cannot be separated by any physical method. Now generally there is a confusion between the student, right? Whenever we speak the word matter or substance, people think that both are the same, but actually these two words are different, are having the word different sense and different concept. So what is the meaning of matter and what is the meaning of substances? So now check, all substances are the matter. Whatever the substance we are having, all will be what matter, but not all matters are the substances. What is the meaning of this? So we know that matter is anything that has mass and occupy the what space. This is a general definition of matter. As for example, soil is a matter, air is a matter. But what is substance? Substance is the what a special category of matter, right, which is having the what uniform composition. So substance is a type of matter which is having uniform composition, but matter is something which occupies the what space and has the mass, which may or may not have the what uniform composition. So as for example, alloy is a substance, sugar is a substance, carbon dioxide is substance. Same time all three are the what matter also. Now try to understand the meaning of uniform composition. So now suppose this is your what sugar solution, right? Now in this sugar solution, once you will mix the sugar and then you will check the sweetness of this sugar solution from point 1, 2 and 3, then you will find the sweetness of the point 1, point 2, point 3 is what same. It shows that the sugar solutions having the what uniform composition. But same time if you will check the what soil, right? So soil is a type of matter which is having the what non-uniform composition. The amount of minerals present here in this area will be what different. That's why it is the what matter, it is not the substance. Now we will try to understand the classification of matter. So matter generally broadly divided into pure substance or impure substances or mixture. So in this chapter we don't have anything, we are not going to discuss anything related with the pure substances, because this chapter is based on the mixture only. So what is a mixture? Mixture is what impure substance in which two or more substance mixed physically, right, not chemically. Meaning is what? Without chemical reaction, right? There is no chemical reactions is going to occur between the component of the mixtures. There are two types of mixture, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. But in this series of the video, right, we are going to discuss the homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture detail in each series of the video, right? Based on each topic, first we will discuss the what homogeneous mixture, then we will discuss the what 10 subjective questions based on this, then we will discuss the what 5 one-word question, then we will discuss the what some assertion-reason questions, and then we will discuss the what 10 MCQ questions based on the each topic. As for example, today we are going to discuss the what is matter and its classification. So in this video only we will discuss the what 5 one-word questions and 5 assertion-reason questions. But in next video we will discuss the what 10 subjective questions which can be asked from the matter only and its classification. And then third video we will discuss the what 10 MCQ questions based on the only classification of matter. So now try to understand the meaning of impure substances. So a mixture contains more than one pure substance mixed together in any proportion, and they are mixed physically, not chemically, right? So meaning is that not chemically, meaning is that without any chemical reaction. Meaning is what? There will be no any chemical reaction between the component of the mixture. They will mix physically, right, without any chemical reaction. So based on this, there are two types of mixtures are there. First is what homogeneous mixture, next one is what heterogeneous mixture. So again, homogeneous mixture will have the what uniform composition. As for example, we will discuss the example later on. But the heterogeneous mixture will have the what non-uniform composition, and there will be what distinct boundary will be visible, right? So example for the what this homogeneous mixture is what sugar solution, and heterogeneous mixture is what soil, oil and water mixture. Now try to understand the meaning of uniform composition and non-uniform composition. So now see that this is the sugar solution, right? So suppose we are getting this sugar solution by mixing the 1 spoon of sugar in 1 liter of water. So now once you will mix it, then the sweetness of point A, point B, point C, point D will be what same. Meaning is what? This is the mixture in which the sweetness is same throughout the mixture, right? That's why we can say that it is having the what homogeneous composition. Meaning is that sugar is mixed in such a way that in each and every point the amount of sugar is same. But when you will mix the oil, water together, right, then you will find first the boundary line between the oil and water. This is your what boundary line. Now this is the what oil and this is your what water. So now if you will take one point from this point A and you will check the content of water, then here you will find more oil is there and less water is there, right? But once you will check the point B here and you will take some sample from here, then you will find more water is there but oil will be what less. So meaning is that this mixture is not having the uniform composition. Throughout the mixture, point to point, the composition of the mixture is going to change. And one thing is that there is a one visible boundary line between the two different components of the mixture. That's why it is a what heterogeneous mixture. So this is the only introduction of heterogeneous mixture. I am not going to discuss in detail. So this was the introduction of what is substance and what is its classification. Based on today's discussion, we are having some one-word question answers, so we will go through it. Now, first question: anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Now, question number 2: is soil is a pure substance? Answer is no, because it is having the what? Non-uniform composition. Now, question number 3: a pure substance made up of only one kind of atom, right? Yes, pure substance is made up of only one kind of atom, which is known as what? Element. What type of mixture has a uniform composition throughout the mixture, throughout the solution? Homogeneous mixture. Later on, it is also known as what? Solution. What is the boiling point of pure water? That this is the property of the water, which is what? 100 degrees Celsius. Now, based on this topic, some assertions-reason questions are there, right? So, in assertions-reason questions, what will happen? Assertions will be given, reasons will be given. We need to identify both assertions, reasons are correct, or reason is a correct explanation of assertions or not. So, based on this type of combination, you will get generally 4 options: A option, B option, C option, and D option. Generally, E is not given, right? But for this discussion, we will discuss E also, right? So, now try to understand the question number 1. Assertions given: pure water is a pure substance. Yes, correct. Reason: it has fixed chemical composition and cannot be separated by any physical methods. So, both statements are correct. So, what we can say that assertions and reasons are correct, and reason is what? Correct explanation of assertions. So, that's why A will be the answer. So, A is the answer. Now, question number 2. Assertions: all matters is a pure substance. No. Reasons: matter has mass and occupies space, right? So, matter has mass and occupies space. Yes, correct. So, assertions is false and reason is correct, right? And reason is not the correct explanation of assertions. So, what is the correct answer now? For us now, this is D. Question number 3. Carbon dioxide produced by burning wood has a different properties than the carbon dioxide produced by burning the coal. No, because reason is that whatever the source we are having, if carbon and oxygen going to combine, it will have the what? Same properties. Property will not change with the change of the source. So, assertions is wrong. Compound property depends upon the source. No, it do not depend upon the source. So, reason is also wrong. So, right, both are false. So, E is the option. Question number 4. Soil is a heterogeneous mixture. Correct. Reason: soil has a non-uniform composition with visible boundaries. Yes. So, A is a correct. So, assertions, reasons are correct, and reason is what? Correct explanation of assertions. Question number 5. Sugar solution is a homogeneous mixture. Yes, correct. Homogeneous mixture have a what? Uniform composition. Yes, it is correct. So, that's why A is the correct option. So, now you can see that based on one topic, a small topic discussion, what is substance and its classification, these many type of question can be asked, can be set, right? So, different format of question answer can be set. So, today we discussed the only 2 different type of questions. In next video, we will discuss the 10 subjective questions based on the topic only, what is substance and its classification. So, be ready for that one. So, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.